Okay, Ntombi, get this, Auntie. This is your Nyunga Nyunga Mbira. Don't mind this note. This is an additional note on my Mbira. And don't mind this one again. You're starting from key number 1 up to 15. So if you are playing Hurombo, that song, what you're going to do is you're going to focus first on key number 5 and key number 13. This song has 2 chords. The first one and the last one. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to use 3 chords, a passing chord for you. So we are using key number 5 and 13 first. So we want to play simultaneously at the same time 5 and 13. 4 times, okay? Like 1, 2, 3. Just 3 times, sorry. After that, you play 5 and 11, okay? Once. So it's going to be 3 times and the 4th time here. So it will sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to key number 3 and 11 and you play 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. And the 4th time is always on key number 5 and key number 11. So you play 3 times there, 5 and 13. Then you go for your 4th time. Your 4th time is always on 5 and 11. Then you get to key number 3 and key number 11 3 times and you go back to your 4th timing. So it will sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you've got it, there are so many ways of improvising it. For example, you could play it like 1, then your 4th time. You're doing the double 2, 3, 4th time. 1, 2, 3, 4th time. 1, 2, 3, 4th time. Or you can split the notes as well instead of playing them together. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you are through with that, we want to include key number 1 and key number 15 per every shuffle we make. For example, if you say 1, then you include 15, 1, 2, 15, 1 again, 3, then you go for your 4th time, 4, then you go there. Okay, so it will sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can replace 11 with key number 9. It will sound like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or you can split 9 and 11 so that you don't just play 9. It will sound monotonous. So you're going to play it like 9, 5, 11, 5. So the whole thing will sound like 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you want to improvise it, you can add. Now that's for fun. So that's buka tiende for you. Learn it.